In today's video we will see how to fix the PON light blinking, fiber internet and connection troubleshooting. So fix 1, wait a few minutes. If the PON light has just started blinking, wait 2 to 5 minutes. The ONT may be stabilizing communication with your fiber provider. If it changed to solid green, the connection is restored. Fix 2, restart the ONT. Turn off the fiber ONT or ONU and turn off the Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 seconds and turn the ONT back on. Next, wait about 2 to 5 minutes. For it to synchronize. Now turn the router back on and check whether the PON lights become solid. Fix 3. Check the fiber cable. Find a thin fiber optic cable connected to the PON optical port. Make sure the connector is firmly inserted. Now check that it has not come loose. Make sure the cable is not sharply bent, crushed or damaged. Don't pull or repeatedly disconnect the fiber unnecessarily. Fix 4. Check the loss light, LOS. So the LOS means loss of signal. Light is especially important. The PON blinking plus loss of the ONT is generally trying to synchronize the fiber connection. Next, PON blinking plus loss blinking / red. There may be a fiber signal problem or the ONT issue. The PON solid green plus loss of the fiber link is normally stabilized. Fix 5. Check for a fiber provider outage. So if the cable is secure and restarting the ONT does not help, the problem may be outside your home, such as fiber maintenance, a damaged fiber line, OLT network problem, ONT registration or authentication problem. Some ONTs can keep blinking while attempting the register with the provider network. The fix 6. Contact your internet provider. If the PON continues blinking for several minutes and you still have no internet, tell your ISP that the PON light is continuously blinking. Then tell them whether the lost light is off, blinking or red. Ask them to check your fiber signal and ONT registration. If necessary, request a technician. Goodbye and thanks for watching.